Jesse, I'm watching coming to you live and direct. And today, no, we're not talking about gardening right now. I need to get this video out, so I'm just shooting this quick intro right now while I'm doing some gardening, finishing up. But yes, today we're talking about how to grill a steak. Two things to keep in mind. One, use a food thermometer, very important. Guarantees consistency and gets it done. And also two, keep your temperatures in mind for how you like your steak. Well done, rare, medium rare, all of that. But with that being said, let's get right into it. We'll have everything in the description below. Enjoy. So my grill has been preheating. It's time to throw the steaks on. I let them season over a couple of hours so it's nicely marinated. You hear that sizzle. So it's been on the grill for about 5 minutes. So I am going for an internal temperature for about 155 Fahrenheit. I got my thermometer handy here, so that'll, that's what I'll be using to gauge the temperature. It's very important, and that's one of the best investments you can make as far as grilling goes, like that thermometer. It's so important. A cooking thermometer, you can guarantee consistency and accuracy every time. So I'm looking at the temperatures here for steaks. If you want a rare steak, you need an internal temperature of 130 to 135 Fahrenheit. Medium rare is 140, medium is 155, and well done is around 165 Fahrenheit. So I like mine like medium well done, so I finish it off like around 155 to 160, then I let it sit for about 10 minutes. So we're about 15 minutes in. This has reached a temperature of 132 Fahrenheit. Again, like I said, we're trying to hit 150, 155. So yeah, just letting it do its thing on the lowest setting. Oh yeah, I wanted to show you guys this. I got a mint garden going on. I make cucumber mint lemonades in the summertime, so figured I'll grow my own mint this year. And right here is my exotic mint garden. Right here we got mojito mint, chocolate mint. I don't even know what that tastes like, but it sounded fly. I had to get it. We got some spearmint. Ooh, and the most exotic of them all, pineapple mint. Yo, this is so amazing. I'm yet to use it, but like, you take a leaf, you rub it, and you can smell pineapple and mint at the same time. Some real exotic shit, man. So really excited to use those. Looking forward to that. But let's get back to this. Make sure my meat isn't burning up. Ooh. Oh, look at that. It's going to be nice and juicy, well done on the outside, but nice and juicy on the inside. So really excited. I should check the temperature on this actually. This right here is doing fine. Let's see. It should be in the 50, 55. This should be almost done. I'll let that side brown up a bit, but yeah, steak is fairly simple, man. Invest in a thermometer. Honestly, like, there's no excuse. If you're a man, you're gonna be grilling, invest in a thermometer so you can always get consistency when it comes to your cooking. You can't do that. You can't make something that's good one day and then the next day you can't recreate it. That's kind of sad almost. When the digital era, and you gotta track that. So once you do something you enjoy, thermometer, like when you're grilling chicken, like I know the temperatures I need for my chicken breast and chicken thigh to be just how I like it. So honestly, this was about like grilling steak, but it's becoming like a sermon on thermometers, man. So you need to you guys need to invest in one. This is almost done, so that's great. So 20 minutes later, my sirloin tip steaks are done. They both hit an internal temperature of 155 Fahrenheit, so we're good to go. I'm just gonna turn off the fire here. We're good to go. So yes, let's take it back inside and plate it and enjoy this dinner. So over here, got the mashed potatoes going on right now. My sous chef. Thank you very much for making this.
You're welcome.
Now the fun part of this, plating it all. I really enjoy plating, to be honest. It's like, I see a plate as like a blank canvas where you can express your creativity. As a chef, I'm not really a classically trained chef, but I'm about to throw it down, so just letting you guys see the starting of this and you see the end product.